Hey, what's going on, everybody? Todd G, Pixel Labs, NFTs here. Going to show you how to use the testnet for Neftyblocks and do a pre-minted and a mint on demand drop using Neftyblocks. So in the last video, excuse me, we made a testnet account, added it to a Wax testnet account, added it to our Anchor wallet. It's called Polytest33, and then we made a testnet collection here at Atomic. Created a template in there, and then we linked the collection to Nefty. So now I'm going to show you how to do drops with Nefty. All right, so we already have this template in there. We have a max supply of 10. I minted 10 of them, so they're in the wallet here. Okay, so now we're going to head over to the Neftyblocks testnet. If you don't already have Nefty drops RAM, probably a good idea to add some. Here, I'll add 10 more here just for the sake of the video. This makes sure ensures your drop can be claimed. So we're going to click Nefty drops. So the first one we're going to do is a pre-minted drop. So we have to go over to pre-minted pool. And the difference between a pre-minted drop and a mint on demand drop is a mint on demand drop is basically first come, first serve. They're sequential mints. So the first person to claim it will get mint number 1, second mint number 2, etc. It's not always the most fair thing to do. So pre-minting it puts them all into a pool and uses a random number generator and scrambles them up as you buy them. So everybody has an equal chance at getting that coveted number 1 mint. Okay, pre-minted pools, we're going to go add to pool, and we're going to select our template. There's only one thing in here, actually. It's got 10 of them. We're going to click this to select them all, and we're going to add selected. If you have more than 10, you have to use this button, drop down here to grab more at once. And guys, keep in mind that this uses a ton of CPU. If you have, 1,000 or more, or a large number, you're gonna have to make sure your Wax account is loaded with CPU because it is resource intensive. Okay, so we're gonna hit add. We're gonna sign it. Boom, 10 assets added to the pre-minted drop pool. So if we go back here to the, I just realized you can't see my mouse on this. If we go back here to the drop pool button, there it is right there. Oh wait, there's my mouse. Ah, I see it now. Okay, so let's go back to the drops tab here, and we will create a drop. We'll click this for pre-minted, and we'll add the asset. Again, there's only one thing on the account, and it's 10 of these poly as kings. If you want to back it with tokens, I guess you can do that here. I don't normally do that though. So here it is, and now we can start filling this stuff out. Poly is king. This is a nice little WYSIWYG editor here. They support HTML code. You can make things look nice, make it Poly is king. Highlight it. This will make it a header. You can preview it right here. You can add images and tables and all sorts of fancy formatting. But for now, we'll just leave it the way it is. Pricing, you have all these options here. You can charge Nefty tokens, Wax, US dollars, whatever you want. For this one, we'll just charge 4.20 Wax. This is the price recipient. If you don't want it to go to your account that's in here, you can change the account. The max claimable, we have 10. Here's where we can limit how many people can claim. Let's make them be able to claim 3 max. If you want to do 3 max every X minutes, you can add a timer in here, or if you just want 3 max and that's it, just leave the account limit cooldown blank. This is in seconds. So if you want 3, they're allowed to claim 3 every 1 minute, you would put 60 seconds in there. Here you can schedule it if you'd like. I believe they use your local time, at least it's my local time here. So you can schedule it for a future date. And you can also schedule it to end. So when it ends, it'll just either sell out or it'll end on a certain date. For the sake of this video, we're just going to leave that blank. And then if you want it to be a secure drop, they offer a few things like you can do private keys. You can have like a whitelist, which is only people on a list. And they also have like proof of ownership. Like you would have to own a specific NFT in order to qualify for this drop. So if you want to do any of those three things, you just click this and then set it up after. But we're not going to do any of that. We're just going to hit create. We're going to sign it. And boom, there's our first drop. Then you use this little three dot thing and you can go view drop page. And then there it is right there. It's a pre-minted drop. Obviously this doesn't look great as far as formatting, but totally functional. So let's we'll just buy one right now with our $4.20 of fake wax, of testnet wax, and we'll see what mint number we get. Let's go. Buy. Boom. Drop claim successfully. Okay, so now I'm going to hop on over here to Atomic, and we're going to look in our inventory. And there it is. We got mint number 4. Cool. So that worked perfectly. Now let me show you how to create a mint on demand drop. So a mint on demand drop, I got to make something real quick. We're going to go over here. We will add a template into the schema. Let's make it max supply 10 again. And we will just add poly beer goggles. Description, your text goes here. Okay. So we are going to just create the template, but we're not going to mint any. So there's currently 0 assets in here. Okay, so now we're going to go back to the Nefty testnet. And we're going to go to drops. And we're going to do new drop. But we're not going to select pre-minted. We're going to go to this one here with 0 of 10. And we're going to click add. Here, I'm going to fill this stuff out again. Poly beer goggles. We'll make this a big header. We will make it 420 wax again. Max claimable 10. Account limit 3. Whatever you want. Oops. Account limit 3. And we will go down. We'll leave this stuff blank. And we will hit create. We will sign it. And boom, there it is. So this beer goggles one is mint on demand. Here, I'll show you what they look like different. Here, we'll open this one side by side. So you can tell it's pre-minted here because it says pre-minted, and then this one does not say pre-minted. So what that means is whoever buys it first, as soon as it goes live, gets mint number 1. I will show you. Buy. We will sign it. We'll go back to our inventory at Atomic Hub. And actually, it hasn't even calculated the mint number yet because we did this so fast, but just take my word for it. That's mint number 1. And there you have it. That's how you can create a mint on demand drop and a pre-minted drop right here using the testnet. And when you're ready to do it for real, you just do all the same steps over, but you do it on the main Atomic Hub mainnet, not the testnet. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. See you soon.